I believe we had a very productive meeting. There were many points that we agreed on, most of them I would say. We really made some great progress today.
Matapos ang pagpupulong ni US President Donald Trump at Russian President Vladimir Putin sa Alaska, inaasahan namang magkakaroon ng bagong dialogo sa White House ngayong araw kasama ang mga Ukrainian officials at mga leader ng Europa. Layunin ng pagpupulong na pag-usapan ang posibleng ceasefire at ang pagtatapos ng giyera sa pagitan ng Russia at Ukraine.
I'm very glad that I'm able to accompany you and other European leaders for the meeting that we do have with the US President in the White House.
Kasama sa inaasahang dadalo sina German Chancellor Friedrich Merz, French President Emmanuel Macron at British Prime Minister Keir Starmer.
Una nang nanindigan ng mga European leaders na hindi pwede ang anumang kasunduan kung walang pagkonsulta sa Ukraine. Dapat din umanong irespeto ang kanilang soberanya at kalayaan.
Since the beginning of Russia's brutal invasion, Europe has been at Ukraine's side. First, we must have strong security guarantees to protect both Ukraine and Europe's vital security interests. Ukraine must be able to uphold its sovereignty and its territorial integrity.
Muli ring nanindigan ng European leader na dapat isali ang Ukraine sa anumang usapang pangkapayapaan kasama ang Russia.
With regards to any territorial questions in Ukraine, our position is clear. International borders cannot be changed by force. These are decisions to be made by Ukraine and Ukraine alone, and these decisions cannot be taken without Ukraine at the table.
Nagpasalamat naman si Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky sa suporta ng Europa at iginiit ang kahalagahan ng pagkakaisa para makamit ang kapayapaan. Samantala, nag-usap naman si President Trump at President Zelensky matapos ang pagpupulong sa Alaska, kung saan binigyang diin ni Zelensky na dapat higpitan ang mga sanctions laban sa Russia kung walang pagkakasunduan sa Russia.
It's impossible to do this under the pressure of weapons. So it's necessary to cease fire and work quickly on a final deal. We'll talk about it in Washington. Putin does not want to stop the killing, but he must do it.
Pong Mercado, UNTV News and Rescue, Winnipeg. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.